Have you ever wondered if the President of India has the power to save someone from the clutches of the death penalty? Or if they can overturn a court's decision? In today's video, we are diving deep into the fascinating topic of the pardoning power of the President of India. This power is not just a conventional provision, it's a tool of justice and mercy that has been debated for decades. Stay tuned as we uncover how this power works, real life examples, and what it means for you as a citizen. Let's get started. Here's a summary of what we are going to discuss. First, what is the pardoning power? 2. Types of pardoning power granted to the President. 3. Constitutional provisions behind this power. 4. Key case laws shaping this power. 5. Recent developments and controversies. Now that you have an overview, let's dive deeper into each aspect. Let's start by understanding where the President derives this extraordinary power from and why it exists. The President's pardoning power is enshrined in Article 72 of the Indian Constitution. It empowers the President to grant pardons, reprieves, respites, remissions of punishment, or to suspend, remit, or commute the sentence of any person convicted of an offence. But why was this included in the Constitution? It's primarily a check against judicial errors and a way to uphold humanity in the justice system. For example, in cases involving death penalty, the President's intervention could mean the difference between life and death. This power isn't exercised arbitrarily. It comes with layers of advice from the Council of Ministers. The President's pardoning power aren't a one-size-fits-all solution. Let's break them down. First, pardon completely absolves the person of the crime and its punishment. 2. Reprieve temporarily delays the execution of a sentence, particularly in death penalty cases. 3. Respite reduces the sentence, for instance, due to special circumstances like health. 4. Remission reduces the sentence period without changing its character. 5. Commute substitutes a harsher sentence with a lesser one, for example, from the death penalty to life imprisonment. Understanding these types helps us to see how this power is used in various situations, often balancing justice with compassion. Case laws bring theoretical provisions to life. Here are some key judgments that have defined this power. First, Kehar Singh versus Union of India. The Supreme Court clarified that the President's pardoning power is subject to judicial review if exercised arbitrarily. 2. Maru Ram versus Union of India highlighted the power must be exercised on the advice of the Council of Ministers. 3. Shatrughan Chauhan versus Union of India. The court ruled that inordinate delay in deciding mercy petitions could be a ground for commutation of the death sentence. These judgments underline the careful balance between judicial independence and executive authority. What can you do if the pardoning power seems misused or delayed? If you or someone you know feel that their rights have been violated due to the misuse of this power, the following steps can be taken. First, file a writ petition. Approach the High Court or Supreme Court under Article 32 or 226 of the Constitution. 2. Seek judicial review. Courts can examine if the decision was arbitrary or unconstitutional. 3. Engage with media and civil society. Public pressure often plays a role in expediting mercy petitions. 4. Contact legal aid organizations. They can guide you through the process and provide support. Remember, the law is meant to protect your rights and not violate them. Let's look at some recent instances where the pardoning power made headlines. First, in 2022, the mercy petition of Rajiv Gandhi's assassination case convicts led to widespread debate on the scope of Article 72. 2. The case of Yaqub Memon of 2015 saw intense scrutiny on the President's decision-making process. 3. Recently, there has been growing demand for transparency in how mercy petitions are handled. with many advocating for time-bound framework. These examples highlight the evolving nature of this power and its impact on society. Let's recap what we have discussed. First, Article 72 empowers the President to grant pardons and reduce sentences. 2. 5 types of pardoning power: pardon, reprieve, respite, remission, and commute. 3. Key judgments like Kehar Singh of 1989 and Shatrughan Chauhan of 2014 shape this application. 4. Legal remedies are available if the power is misused. 5. Recent controversies emphasize the need for transparency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Your engagement helps us to bring more insightful content. See you in the next video. Stay informed and stay empowered. Take care. Bye.